If your hands are always dry or cracked from washing, cleaning, just everyday life, I want you to try out this lotion. Gloves in a Bottle is not your typical lotion. It actually forms through my whole arm. There you go. A barrier that locks in your skin's own moisture so your hands can actually heal from the inside out, which is unlike typical lotions where it just sits on top of your skin. What I like about this is it's not greasy at all. It doesn't wash right off, and you only need a little bit. I put it on after I wash my hands or after I get out of the shower, and my feet as well, when they're still a little bit damp, and they stay nice, soft, comfortable for hours. Also, if you like garden, paint, work with your hands a lot, it helps prevent staining underneath your nails as well, which is really nice. I'm going to show you this on my skin just so you can see the texture and how it rubs right in. See, that tiny bit is actually like carrying up